Hi, my name's John Lecky, and this is a overview of my flower shop application. So first of all, you're going to want to open this Java program. We're basically going to get the database set up and give us an access point for the API to pull information from. So first of all, you're going to want to navigate to this SQL document. You're going to want to make sure that this is set up locally in your MySQL. So you can either right click here and run, or you can actually take the code and, you can take all this code and implement it in your SQL table of PHP myadmin. So after you do that, you're going to want to make sure the application is running. A simple way to doing that is right clicking there and running. So after that's set up and running, that'll give us a point for our API to connect to. Next, we're going to look at the actual application. So on startup, we're going to be greeted with a splash screen. After the splash screen times out, we are going to move on to the home fragment. So this home fragment acts as a welcome screen, and it also contains image carousel with 4 images. So since I'm on a computer, I am actually just going to use my mouse to scroll through them, but if this was on an actual phone, you would just scroll through them normally with your finger. So let's go a little deeper into the application. On the top left here, we have a toast bar. It's basically just going to pop up a little welcome message when we click it. Next, we're going to actually look at the API. So on the second navbar option here, we have flower order customers. When we click that, it's going to pull information from the API provided by our web application. We also have most of the functionality for the room database implemented. Currently, it's missing something. It will not fully pull up this information when the web server is not running. Our third navbar menu option is Twitter. When we click this, it will actually open Twitter in a browser, and it will fill the message bar with a previously chosen message. So basically this is going to pop up. If you own a Twitter account, which I do not, you would log in here, and this would populate the box right here with a message. Basically, I just put I accessed API at johnsflowers.com. Let's move on to a little more of the functionality. So on the top right here, we have another navigation option here that we can choose. We have the help option and the about. So basically these are just linked to 2 fragments. The about just gives us a quick little rundown of the flower shop, nothing special. And the help option just will point the user to a more applicable area to receive help from. And this has been a quick demonstration of the flower shop application. Thank you for your time.